Hello and welcome to the Clinical Modeling Project tutorial videos. Today we are back to our videos of sound anonymization and we will go through a more advanced stage. In our last session we learned how to detach the audio and video tracks and to just remove the audio from the video, and then that we could add music to the video or add a different background sound. Today we will learn how to separate the audio track in two layers. One layer is the voice or the main voice of the person or persons speaking in the video, and the other layer is the background sounds. In some videos, it might be important to remove the voice of the person for anonymization purposes, but keep the background sounds because they are useful and meaningful for the video. Or the other way around, we need to isolate the voice of the person speaking and remove the disturbing background sounds. So let's learn how to do that. The first step is to do exactly what we learned in the last video. So we will first detach the audio and video tracks in order to have a track for the video without any sound and the main track of audio with all the sounds. And after that, we will click again on the track and we will go to AI Vocal Remover. This tool will separate voice and background sounds from our video. So we can see that now the system is working in our file, and it's detaching both of these layers. And we see that in our timeline all layers will appear as the system finishes the process. So as you can see, now we have one track just with the video without sound. We have one track with the original sound with both voice and background sounds. We have one track with a voice and one track with a background. So now let's try to exemplify and see how it works. So let's remove the audio track that has all the sounds because we will not be using it. And now, for example, let's test our video removing the background sound. And this way we will hear only the voice of the person speaking.
Tá com zoom 3 vezes. Zoom out. Zoom out. Ah, ele grava-me sempre com zoom 3 vezes.
So, as you can see, we isolated the voice of the person speaking and we hear no background sounds. But we can do exactly the opposite. So we can undo the removal and we can remove the voice of the video and play just the video with the background noises. As you can see, we can hear the background, and in this video, very importantly, we will be able to hear one important part of it, that are the compressions. You can see. So we hear the background sounds and the main sounds of the compressions, but we totally anonymize the video in terms of voice, so we cannot identify the person or persons speaking in the video. And this was actually the main objective in terms of anonymization. So we can remove and separate audio tracks for different purposes of different videos. In a later session, we will learn how to combine several of these anonymization techniques, and we hope to have you with us in a future video. Thank you very much.